In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer EVMOS into Ethereum Chain step by step. So before we proceed, I will just gonna give you a heads up that I will not be able to transfer EVMOS to Ethereum Chain directly. So because the only cross-chain site that can transfer EVMOS to Ethereum directly is the Nomad Bridge, but unfortunately you will need to go through a KYC process, and I don't have a passport because that is the only document or ID they support. But I have an alternative which I will show you right now. So let's go to app.evmoswap.org, and then you can see here, click Evmos, then click here, click seller USDT. Now you will gonna need to swap your EVMOS to seller USDT. So for example, I want to swap 0.69 EVMOS, then I will receive this amount of seller USDT. Click swap, click confirm swap, then click confirm. Now as you can see, I have received 0.31 USDT. Now let's go to cbridge.seller.network. Then you're gonna need to click here and find EVMOS. Then click EVMOS, and then here, click here and click Ethereum mainnet. And then you're gonna need to bridge your USDT, your seller USDT from your EVMOS into Ethereum chain. So for example, I want to bridge the maximum amount, and below here you can see that the receipt amount cannot cover fee because the fee is approximately 20 USDT. We have here the bridge rate, which is 1 seller USDT on EVMOS is equivalent to 1 USDT on Ethereum. And we have here the estimated time of arrival, which is 5 minutes. Now, once you have typed down the amount of seller USDT you want to bridge, you're gonna need to click transfer here, and you're gonna need to pay for the gas fee. Now once you have your USDT in your Ethereum chain or Ethereum network, go to your MetaMask wallet and then click portfolio site. Then it will lead you to this website. You can see here your net worth, your assets, and on the left side here, click swap. Then you are gonna need to change to Ethereum network first. Click here, then click here, click Ethereum mainnet, and then click here, find USDT, and click here. Then you're gonna need to select a token. You're gonna need to swap it to EVMOS. And now you can type the amount of USDT you want to swap into EVMOS. So in order to show you what will happen if I click review swap here, I will gonna need to change into USDC and then click max here, click review swap, and this will show on your screen. So you're gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet because you will gonna need it to pay for the gas fee. And if you have any questions about how to transfer EVMOS into Ethereum chain, leave a comment below.